So I have the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and today I'll be showing you how to connect your wired headphones that have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, if you have some high quality headphones or some headphones that you like, and you want to listen to media or music with your A56, this phone obviously does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, so it only has Type C. And so if you really need to use your headphones, then you might want to get yourself a little dongle, and you get yourself a dongle like this one. So this is a 3.5mm headphone port and a Type C connector. Okay, so all you need to do now is get the headphones into the adapter like that, and then the adapter with the Type C connector into the phone. And that's it. You are now connected, and you can now listen to music or whatever media you have with your wired headphones, your high quality wired headphones. Now, there are plenty of advantages to this. Of course, it cuts out any lag. They're great for gaming, and they just sound good. They're more comfortable than your traditional cheaper Bluetooth earbuds. So just to confirm that this works, let's try and find some music. Let's go into the Samsung app. Let's find Samsung Music. So let me just play a YouTube video. Yeah, and the audio is actually coming from the headphones. So it works. It's just plug and play. You don't need to change any setting. It just works. Okay. Now, let's say you want to also charge your phone as you listen to music, as you use your headphones. Obviously, this will not work because the Type-C port is occupied. So what you can do in this case is use a different kind of adapter. So if you get yourself this kind of adapter with that Type-C connector, and on this other side, it has the 3.5mm port and also a Type-C pass-through port. So basically, you can connect your headphones like that. And also, you can connect a Type-C cable on this other end like that. And then when you plug it in, it's going to connect the headphones. And also, it should start charging your phone. There you go. So you can see we are charging. And then also the audio, we can listen to this headphones. So that is basically how to do it. Now, I'm going to leave these two dongles linked in the description so you can check them out. But you don't have to get these ones. You can get any. But these particular ones that I'm using are extremely good, and I'm going to link them down below. This video is not sponsored. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.